Unboxing Simulator on Roblox truly made me reevaluate my life. Before I played Unboxing Simulator, I thought, man, I have a really small cock. And then when I played Unboxing Simulator, I was like, man, I have a micro penis now. I don't understand how such level of shit Roblox games keeps managing to pop up. Like, I have nothing against simulators, don't get me wrong, but Unboxing Simulator, this has to be the most low-hanging fruit shit I've seen on Roblox. I'm also currently investigating a Johnny meme up in May 2019. They're out of my face. I don't know, dude. I feel like, honestly, Unboxing Simulator actually made my dick size retract for every second that I was playing this game. I didn't think a Roblox game was possible to make me do this, but it's actually possible, and I'll show you how, scientifically speaking. I got an alt account to really show you what this game is about. So number one, you don't really have that much of an objective in this game. You have to collect hats that you get from random boxes, and the hats that you get from boxes power you up, and then you can also get pets, of course. We can't forget those motherfuckers in any simulator game in 2019. But anyway, this is the exciting gameplay that I'm given with this. You click on a box, and you watch your avatar punch it violently for a couple moments because they don't have a knife that they can afford from Walmart or some shit. And that's the entirety of the game. You get a coin that pops out of the box, or you get a hat that pops out of the box, or you get some other cool thing as well. And you repeat the process 40 billion fucking times. You buy weapons too, you unlock new areas, you unlock new pets, you basically give them your goddamn money. And I'm kind of annoyed making this video because I'm really sick and tired of these trends of lazy simulators being a thing. I don't know how Russo personally does it. Like, he is a madman. He manages to stay hype throughout this entire 19 minute long video on this simulator, and I'm so confused. I would literally just fall asleep playing the game. But fellas, I have some unfortunate news that came with this game. It made my dick size retract so much that I actually now identify as a female. It's like, these games are like no better than any of those freemium cookie clicker games that you will see on a mobile device or something. There's nothing to this game that's particularly special. It's just the same formula that everyone else does for simulators. We've seen the same exact thing for Pet Simulator, but just coined instead of boxes. I don't know, I'm definitely not the only one with this opinion. It's definitely been a while since, like, a simulator, at least a new simulator on Roblox has really popped up, but nothing really changes with these games. They're all really the exact same game, just reskinned, and most of them are just quick cash grabs. They die within the next week or so, unless you're Superpower Training Simulator. I have absolutely no idea how this shit has managed to stay on the front page for so long for Roblox. It's been like since December since they've had an update, I think. Let me know what epic opinion you have of Unboxing Simulator down in the comments below. I don't really know what to think of it, honestly. I've played it a little bit on my main account, and I'm not really too heavily into it, honestly. Like, it just kind of exists. Like, I'll come on here when I'm bored sometimes with my girlfriend and just, like, occasionally play the game, but I'm not taking it, like, dead-ass seriously. Like, half of these people up in here have, like, 100 quadrillion damage. Oh shit, this guy's got the name of the century, the whole stop moving boys so I can read your name. This line has got the name H-E double hockey sticks. He's trying to say hell. That's actually a really great name right there. I really like that a lot. That's probably like the best experience I've had on this game so far, honestly, is seeing somebody with a username that's actually half decent. I can't do it anymore though, honestly. I cannot play Unboxing Simulator anymore, or I will actually have a brain aneurysm grow on the side of my brain. Let me know what you think in the comment section about Unboxing Simulator. I'll check you all out later. Sub if you're new. Yeah, I'm really tired. Peace.